Let's look at the first of the exam questions regarding this lesson about areas using integrals. This question is from May-June 2008 paper. It is question 9. And it says, the diagram shows a curve for which dy by dx equals minus k over x cubed, where k is a constant. The curve passes through the points 1,18 and 4,3. First question, show by integration that the equation of the curve is y equals 16 over x squared plus 2. And then it says that the point P lies on the curve and has x coordinate 1.6, and then asks you to find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so in the first equation, you just have to basically integrate that, right? But you have a problem here. You don't know the value of that k over there. So how you're going to solve this? You are going to solve this using the fact that this is not what I want. This is it over here. Using the fact that you know the coordinates of 2 points that belong to the line. What do I mean with this? If you are to integrate this expression, you will get this expression over here, right? But you need to know the value of the arbitrary constant and at the same time the value of k. So you have two unknowns to figure out. That's why you have 2 points, which will allow you to get two equations. So you have now two equations to get two unknowns. So substitute on the first one y by 18 and x by 1, and on the second one y by 3 and x by 4. Okay, eventually you will get this. You will what was the method that I used on this one? I just used the subtraction, the top minus the bottom one, and I solved it for k and then substituted it over here, and I got the value of c. So now that I know the values of k and c, I substitute them over here, and I get this expression, which is the one that we needed to prove. Then we are given the coordinates of point P, at least one of the coordinates. It's 1.6y, and you need to get the area of the shaded. Here, for some reason, I got the y coordinate of point P, but I don't need it for anything, to be honest. So this was just a waste of time, because in order for me to get the area of the shaded region, I just need to know the values of the limits of integration, which are 1 and 1.6. And then the equation of the curve, which I already have, right? So this is what I get. I just integrate this, substitute the corresponding values, and I have 7.2 units squared. The next question is from a paper 12, May-June 2010, and it's question 9 over here. 8 points for it. Should be difficult, right? Let's look at it. The diagram shows the curve y equals, open brackets, x minus 2 squared, and the line y plus 2x equals 7, which intersect at points A and B. Find the area of the shaded region. So how do you solve this? You should already know the area of the shaded region is going to be the integral between the x coordinate of point A and the x coordinate of point B of the expression that you have on top minus the expression that you have on bottom, and that's it. So what is the thing that you need to do first? Calculate the points of intersection of the line with the curve, which you know already since chapter 1, right? Plug them into the integral as the lower and the upper limit, and then just write this in terms of y, so 7 minus 2x minus that stuff, and that's conceptually it is done. So getting the points of intersection, that's what I did over here, equal one to the other, and I got the values x equals minus 1 for the point A and x equals 3 for the point B. So these are going to be the limits of integration of what? of this stuff, the minus 2x plus 7, or 7 minus 2x, minus that stuff. So I expanded that, simplified as much as I could. I'll have a cubic. Actually, no, yeah, well, I didn't bother to simplify first. I could have done that, but I just integrated each one and simplified later. Doesn't matter. Then substitute x by 3 and by minus 1. Be careful again with the minuses and that minus over there. Plug this into the calculator, and this is what I got. And for some reason, I didn't finish it. And why is that? I don't know. Well, you just add that and you have the result. Okay, so this is going to be 11 plus 1/3. So that's 33, 34 thirds. Okay. All right. Next one, it's winter 2014, question paper 13, question 9. It says the diagram shows parts of the graphs of y equals x plus 2 and y equals 3 square root of x intersecting at points A and B. Write down an equation satisfied by the x coordinates of A and B. Solve this equation and hence find the coordinates of A and B. So basically finding the points of intersection. And then find by integration the area of the shaded region. Again, this is basically the previous question broken down into two sub-questions, right? Finding the points of intersection and using them to calculate the area between two curves, or a curve and a straight line, right? The only difference is that this overall is worth 10 points and this overall is worth 8. Okay, but at some point when you're getting ready for the exams, you should try to identify the questions that are here in your own favor, and this is one of them. There's nothing particularly difficult about this one nor this one. They are literally the same. Okay, and as fast as you understand that the structure of a paper 1 is pretty much the same throughout, this is the point where you start realizing that you are on track to get a fantastic grade. Okay, after saying that, let's go back to this particular question, and this is what you have again, a sketch of what you have there. So to get the first sub-question, you need to equal one thing to the other and solve it. Here you have to use change of variable, okay, because this is quadratic in disguise. Turn it into a de facto quadratic, solve it for u. Once you have u, substitute back by the square root of x. You'll get the values of x, substitute them in one of them to get the corresponding values of y, and here you have the coordinates of the 2 points A and B. Then use the x coordinate as the limit of integration of what? Of the one that you have on top, which is this one, minus the one that you have on bottom, which is that one. All right? Then simplify. Integrate to get the primitive, then substitute by the limits of integration, and you get the value of the area.